Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can delete your Snapchat account on your Android device. So in the first step we have to open the Snapchat and go to the settings by clicking this profile icon. Now click here on this little gear icon. Now slide down to I need help. Now go down and choose managing my account. Now choose the last option. This is the solution for iOS, but if you're working on Android phone, we have to open this website. Now just log in into your account. And continue. Now its account is deactivated and after 30 days will be deleted. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.